Good, Kathy. That's right there. Super. There. You bet. You get so you cannot help it. Look, good. Super. Nice. On the diagonal, at some point, if you want to do a little more towards the medium, just to see what.
What?
At some point, when you feel him using himself behind,
Yep.
try a little more trot, like a medium trot,
Okay.
without speeding up. Yeah.
For a green horse, he's nicely balanced.
Look at the steps, one after another.
Yeah.
Oh. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay, that's good. He's listening to you. Look at him. No, go back on the trot.
Can't be beautiful.
It's super. I know, but go back on the trot, the company. Look at the 4-year-old.
Yeah.
Trot. No, trot, yeah. Because we got the shoulder. I want you to do a shoulder then.
What a very comfortable canter.
Shoulder then. Outside rein. Yes. Okay, and then leg yield and go to long.